Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and today we are going to be taking a closer look at the DJI Mavic Air 2. I want to give a special thanks to my friends Matt and Tori because they bought this drone and they were nice enough to let me take a look at it. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the specs and letting you guys know what I think of the drone based on my first impressions. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel for more drone related content. The DJI Mavic Air 2 has a half-inch sensor that shoots 4K at 60 frames per second video, which you are seeing right now on your screen. DJI also claims this drone shoots 48 megapixel photos, but in reality, it does not. That's just what it comes out to be when you stack the photos together. Now, this drone has a 34-minute flight time, so you get a longer battery life. You get APAS 3.0 obstacle avoidance, so that's nice. And you also get OcuSync 2.0, which allows you to have a video transmission of 1080p at 30 frames per second. This drone does offer a lot, and at its price point of $700, it really is an impressive machine. So I definitely do recommend this drone. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel for more drone related content. I would also appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know if you have the DJI Mavic Air 2 or if you plan on getting one. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.